Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel and podcast from Star Hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, and ideas of the hotel, and category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, ambience and nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews on the some that are given by guests who enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 8.6, which is the fabulous. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. If we talk about the service here, you can see on the screen good Wi-Fi at check-in, accept major credit card service or the right method, hold and card. Location of the hotel is in yes, local block surroundings. One category of room is available online. Enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies.